Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off hints on Sudoku. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video since the process is quite easy. Start off by launching open Sudoku.com application on your preferred device, and once you end up in this main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now tap the settings button from the options and tap the toggle button right next to Smart Hints. Soon after you do that, you will be able to disable hints from your Sudoku application. You can now tap on Done at the top right and start playing the game without any hints. So that is how you can easily turn off hints on Sudoku. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.